Hello everyone and welcome back to the Brentford FC Weekly News, where we give you all your Brentford FC Weekly News as you need to know right here on the channel. So let's get straight into it. The first bit of news we'll be going over is what I was waiting for to do the video for last week, which never actually happened, so I'm very sorry about that. This video has been delayed because of the Fright Nights video I did do yesterday, so I hope you guys did enjoy that if you did watch it. And so the first one we'll be going over is the brand new kits. I'll show some pictures of them on the screen here. And wow, they've really outdone themselves again this season. The away kit is not as good as last season's, but it's still very good. The home kit is much better than last season's. I wasn't really a fan of last season's home kit. Will I be buying them? Most likely, yeah. I mean, I'll probably buy the away kit and maybe get a number on the back. I don't know, but they were on show in our pre-season game against West Ham, which we did lose 2-1 unfortunately, and also our 2-2 draw against Oxford United, which brings us to our next category. Yes guys, the next category is the pre-season games and fixtures that have gone by and that are coming up. So obviously, as I said, we lost 2-1 to West Ham. Marcus Forss did get our goal for us, but Souček ended up getting the winner for West Ham. Well, I think, to be fair, we had a really good performance against a good Premier League side. Also, we drew 2-2 against Oxford. 2 really late goals from Oxford brought them back into it. It's only a pre-season friendly. Good to get the boys some more minutes in the tank. Canos getting both new goals at the stadium, him celebrating, really just shows that it means a lot after his injury from last season. And then coming up tomorrow, or by the time we're recording in 2 days' time, is Wickham at home. I think it's a 12 PM kickoff. It's live on Sky Sports. Brentford versus Wickham, the first ever competitive game at our new stadium. And I'll be giving a quick overview of that match in the next weekly news. And let's get on to our last category. The last category is transfers. There's only been one transfer going through since... actually, there's 2 transfers that I'm just thinking about that came through since I last did. TONEY has now signed for Brentford after what I did say a couple of weeks ago and said that he would come back to us when he has got Premier League move, and it turns out in a way I was kind of right. But also, it is good to see him come into the side. I did watch his interview. It did sound like we were watching it over a Boeing 747 plane. The audio quality was not good. But I think from his interview, it did tell that he had good intentions to do stuff for the club, which I think is good. But also another transfer news is that Julian Jonvier has departed on loan somewhere in like Turkey or somewhere like that. I'm not 100% sure of the side. I'll show a picture of him signing his deal or whatever on the screen if anyone knows the name of the team. I think I know it, but I just can't pronounce it. But yeah, he has that. It's a bit of a shame. Good squad depth for him. But Ruka Rakic also gone. So we've got Majbet Sorensen. We've got Charlie Good as our backup. I think that probably came into it. That maybe Jonvier could be going out somewhere, and then we bring in Charlie Good to get more squad strength, which Charlie Good, I have heard he is a really good player, as I did say in the last weekly news. But if you guys did enjoy this one, it was a bit of a shorter one this time out. Please smash the like button, subscribe for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.